Hello everyone, my name is Javier Gomez, member of the UDS technical team, and in this video we are going to see how to configure a Linux machine that will be our template for our vApps. As you can see right here, we have a Ubuntu machine 2004 and of course an UDS deployment. The first thing will be to configure the template, so let's get inside it. Let's start with the configuration. First things first, put the password and let's open a terminal so we can update to the latest packages on our machine with an apt update. Let's see, and very fast one, and next one apt upgrade, so we can have a machine fully updated before we start. Then let's start with the UDS actor. Let's go to our browser and let's access our UDS server. In my case, let's put the IP, and we are going to enter with a user that has privileges. In my case, it's going to be the super user, UDS admin. Let's enter downloads and let's download the UDS actor for our distribution. In my case, the all.dev1 for Ubuntu Linux machines. In our terminal, let's access the downloads folder, and there it should be, as you can see. Okay, so next steps will be to install the UDS actor. So let's put to the pk -i and the UDS actor. In my case, we have all dependencies correct, but in the case that you can see some errors and dependencies, you can put the command apt install -f, and with this it will install all the dependencies needed for the UDS actor, and it will finish the installation completely. So now let's put again. Once this is finished, let's open it to see how the configuration goes. Let's enter the password, and now we have our UDS actor configuration tool ready to start. First thing first, let's enter the IP of our UDS server, .10 in this case, and of course you can enter the DNS name if you need it. In the authenticator part, we will see the authenticator that we have configured. In this case, we only have the administration. This means that we are going to use the super user. So in my case, it's UDS admin and its password, and in the advanced tab for now we can leave it by default. Let's register it with UDS. We can test the configuration. Everything seems to be correct. Great. So now we can close the UDS actor. The next thing that we are going to need will be the installation of our x2go server. So let's start with sudo apt install x2go server, and let's click on enter. Let's say yes, and now we'll start the installation of the x2go server. It should not take very long. Okay, so now the download has finished. We shouldn't do anything more. We can close this, and now let's start changing a bit the machine. Something more important will be our power manager or power managing services. In the display part, we can turn this off so that it doesn't turn black in a given time when we're not using it, because this can create some connection errors. With this, we will have our machine totally updated and configured, so that could be our template for our Linux machines. Hope this video can help you a lot, and thank you very much for your time. Oh, before I end, remember that you should always turn off the machine, as it's very important that that template is turned off, so that when the copies are done we don't have any mistakes. So thank you very much now, and have a great day. Bye.